Alright. Today we are going to do unboxing with Zach. I bought a new Nest Google doorbell, video doorbell. Google usually does it pretty good with the packaging on their products, so I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video on it. So let's get started. I already took the cellophane off. Alright. Looks pretty nice so far. Oh, that's got a good weight to it. It's got a heavy duty. I like that. So that's a button there. Oh, okay. On the back, we got a little port there, so that's going to mean something. Let's look into that. Where the poles go. Alright, set that there. Cards. Little sticker if you want to put it on the screen door and let people know. This is your part list. See that alright? And then, yeah, Google always does this little let's get started thing. And so it's not a lot of instructions that they send. It's one, get the Nest app, add Google Nest, hello. Don't see a plus, tap the settings. Wire the chime connector to your door chime. And 3 is replace your existing doorbell with Hello Nest. Maybe I'll do an install video on it, we'll see. I don't see why not. I got everything all set up. So right in there it comes with everything you'll need, little drill and drill bit and everything. Okay, so this is your security case. This will go on the back there, and then it'll require a little pin to get it off, so nobody can just show up and take your doorbell. And then this, if your house is like the door's on a corner or something like that, you need it to rotate over a little bit. It's a little angler. I won't need that, but that's cool that they include it. Then, okay, so this is the piece that looks like it attaches to your chime to tell your chime inside to go off when the button is pushed. And that looks to be everything that's secured in there. So like and subscribe, and the school bus is home. Like and subscribe, and we'll do an install video. Alright, so I got it all installed now. It's working. I think I like it a lot, actually. Here's what it looks like on the outside of the house. Very sleek. But my favorite part is I set it up. And I was going to do an instructional video, but Google's instructions were so smooth and better than anything I could do. It wasn't even worth the time. So I just suggest using those for the install. But here. Both chimes go off. But okay, so both chimes go off, and then it automatically just opens up this window and shows you, like, you don't even have to tell it to do anything. But if somebody is coming over or whatever and you're curious, just you're curious when they get here, say, hey Google, show me the front door.
Okay, streaming the front door.
And bam, there it is. So totally worth the pennies, lots of pennies. I picked it up for they were normally $230, and I picked it up for $150. So it was a pretty good sale, about $80 off. Definitely a recommend from me. Thanks.